In the last 3 years, my team and I have been able to generate over $30 million for our clients using email marketing. And one of the ways we've been able to generate this kind of results is using email gamification. You see, when it comes to email gamification, there are a lot of things you can do. We have the quizzes, we have the spin the wheel, we have different kind of email gamifications. But the problem with this kind of gamification is that you need external tools to be able to gamify these emails, and sometimes these tools are quite expensive. And also, most cases, when you put the HTML inside your Klaviyo, when you put the code together and put it in your Klaviyo, the email tends to load slowly, and that can also reduce conversions. But in this video, I'm going to show you how we're able to tackle this and how we're able to gamify our emails and get lots of engagement and also make lots of money with this email gamification. But most importantly, without using any kind of external tool. So I'm going to show you some examples of these emails, how we gamify it and how we're able to, make money from this email. So without further ado, let's get into my computer right now to share these email gamification ideas with you. So the first example I'm going to be showing here is basically an email asking people, to guess the current CEO of the brand. Not only these emails are simple to create, unlike the scratch card and all of those, or maybe, spin the wheel. These emails are simple to create, and they also, get people engaged a lot because you're asking them questions about the brand and not just, spinning the wheels and, those kind of emails that looks like a spam. And this email is very interesting, and we've seen that these emails get a lot of engagement because people really reply back to this email, and this email always gets us lots of sales as well. And the reason why I think, using this kind of gamification ideas rather than the spin the wheel, the reason why I think these emails are better than those ones is that not only are you, getting people to engage with your emails, you are also using this email to familiarize your brand, to get email subscribers to familiarize with your brand, right? So they can know the CEO, they can know much things about the brand, right? So this is one of the emails that we've seen to be working so well for us. So I'm going to be breaking this email down. So basically, this email is just, asking people to, guess the current CEO of the brand. And we, gave a couple of options here. And, what they basically need to do is just, take a guess and guess the name right. And they can just, and also one of the things we did was like, give a 10% discount code, and they can choose any of these options, put the code in at the checkout to get 10% discount. So like I said, not only does this email, get people to familiarize themselves with the brand, but it also helps us make lots of money because now, they know the CEO and they also get a 10% discount, which is a win-win for everybody in this case. Another one here is a very simple email that we sent during Father's Day. Basically just asking them what's the best Father's Day gift. So we gave 3 options, right, that is not related to the brand, but one that is related to the brand. And something we did really interesting in this email was, if someone click on this other one that has nothing to do with the products we are selling, it's going to take them to a specific landing page saying something like, you can buy him this gift, but chances are he's not going to like it. So why not buy him something he will like? So that is something we are selling. And under that text, we basically just say you can shop with 20% off with this discount code. Right. So when we send out this email performed so well. So this is another way to gamify your emails if you have something like this. Another one here is one where we're basically asking this one right here, which scent is the perfect for memorable date night. This is very, very, very interesting one too. Actually, this is a GIF, but I'm just going to show you the actual email here. So this is the email here, which scent is perfect for a memorable date night, and you can see the product is changing. So this is something else you can also try if you want to gamify your emails, basically just asking people different kind of questions. So another one here is, which one is the winning formula for a radiant skin? And this one is quite simple as well. We basically just arrange a couple of answers here, and when they click on the answer, it's going to take them to a blog post, that's explaining how to pick your right product, and also how to do your skincare routine basically. So this is a very, very simple one too that you can try out. Another one that we, used was asking when the brand was founded. We gave a couple of options here and asking people to take a guess. And, if they take a guess, they will get a discount. And yeah, so this is another one that, you might want to try out. The last one here, not really a gamification email, but it's also something that, we've seen to be working really, really well for us. And that's basically asking people to vote. We can say it's gamified, but this email is basically saying something like, hey, we're struggling to come up with an offer, but we want you to, vote for an offer. And we give two options. Here you can see we gave 20% plus free gifts, 30% off plus free shipping. And we basically just ask people to, click any of the button to take a vote. And when they click, it's going to register their properties. Another thing we also did here, but you don't really need to do this, but if it's something you're interested in, you can actually just use the properties to, send a specific offer to each property. So let's say somebody click on this one right here that says 20% off. Now we have their property. We have, that as their property. So we can now send an offer specifically like 20% off plus free gift to this person because that is what they choose. So these are some examples that we've used to, gamify our emails. So rather than just doing all these spin wheels and all kind of like weird gamification, why not just, why not use something like this that is quite similar to your brand, something that educates your customer at the same time and also make you money at the same time. So try these ideas out and let me know if you have any question. If you do have any question, leave them in the comment section below. And if you're an e-commerce brand owner, you like to, help us take care of your email and SMS marketing, there's going to be a link in the description. You can use the link to book a call with me, and I would love to have a conversation with you. So that'll be all for this video. If you find the video valuable, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.